In the professional service industry, resource planning is key. Wouldn't it be great if you could have a smart solution that would bring together every role of your resource planning process? With Assistance PSA for Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011, your project planning is connected to the service calendar of CRM and Outlook. Now, the project manager, resource manager, and information worker are all working together because they are sharing the same information. This overview demo will show you how easy it is to integrate your projects into the service calendar and how simple planning your resources can be when you have all the information you need at hand. Assistance PSA facilitates resource planning by allowing you to connect your projects to the service calendar of CRM. The process couldn't be easier. Simply open a project, and in the project screen, click on the Add tab. Here, you will be able to schedule an appointment or a service activity. In this example, you need to create a recurring appointment for a series of status meetings for this project. 4 people, including you, will be required to attend. And the location will be at the client's office. You want to show time as busy, but you could also indicate tentative and change the status as the project unfolds. Now click on Recurrence, and in the first section, schedule the time and duration. The recurrence pattern is already accurate. No need for changes here. As for the range, you want the meetings to start on November 12 and end after 7 occurrences. Your status meetings are scheduled. And if you go to the detail section of this screen, you will see that PSA has linked them to your project. You can save and close this window. Back in your project, if you click on the Activity section, you will find all of your newly scheduled meetings. And because of the seamless integration of PSA with CRM and Outlook, these meetings will also appear in the service calendar of CRM as well as in Outlook. Here, for example, you can see that your Outlook calendar has been updated. Click on your status meeting and open the series. You will access the details of this appointment, including your project information. But most importantly, this is a two-way integration. PSA offers you the flexibility to schedule an appointment and link it to a specific project, whether you are in your project module or in your Outlook calendar. Here, a simple click on Set Regarding will bring you the last selected projects, or, if you choose to, the list of all your projects. Once selected, the project will be displayed in the bottom section of your appointment. And the message below will confirm that your meeting is now linked to your project and that it will appear as scheduled time in the service calendar of CRM. Now, let's go back to Assistance PSA, where you will find right under the project module the resource planning functionalities of CRM. This is the utilization sheet of your resource manager, where all the scheduled appointments for each one of the resources are displayed. The information can be displayed by day, week, or month, and you can use the zoom to break it down in greater or lesser detail. One click on this button will clearly identify any conflicts and facilitate your analysis and planning. You will be able to make adjustments here, and the changes will be reflected in the project linked to the appointment as well as in Outlook. Once you're done, simply save and close the window. Your service calendar will be updated automatically. You can also change the status of your appointment. The kickoff meeting, for example, was set as tentative but is now confirmed. Change the status and click OK. The change will be applied to each resource scheduled in that meeting. Planning a new appointment or a new service activity is of course possible, and in both cases you will be able to link it to a project. Finally, you can change the selection here. You can choose to look at your planning from a resource standpoint and, for example, refine your analysis by selecting only the users or only the facility and equipment. or you can choose to look at your planning from an activity standpoint. Whatever option you decide, the different views available will provide you with additional detail of the scheduled time. Because it is seamlessly embedded in the service calendar and Outlook, Assistance PSA optimizes your project and resource planning, reducing your costs and increasing your efficiency. This completes the overview demo of resource planning. Thank you for your attention.